To get started with the Axie Infinity Ronin bridge, you first need to understand what it is and its purpose. The Ronin bridge is a tool that allows users to transfer assets between the Ethereum blockchain and the Ronin network, which is a sidechain built specifically for the Axie Infinity game. The first step is to go to the Ronin bridge website and connect your wallet. You can use MetaMask or any other Ethereum wallet, but you will also need to install the Ronin wallet extension. Once you have connected your wallet, you will see a list of assets that you can transfer, including AXS, SLP, and ETH. The next step is to select the asset you want to transfer and enter the amount. You will also need to select the network you want to transfer to, either Ethereum or Ronin. Make sure you have enough gas to cover the transaction fees, as the transfer process consumes gas. After you have entered the transfer details, you will need to confirm the transaction. This will involve signing a transaction with your wallet, which will initiate the transfer process. Depending on the network congestion, the transfer may take a few minutes to complete. It is essential to note that the Ronin bridge uses a mechanism called optimistic rollups to increase the speed and reduce the cost of transactions. This means that transactions are processed in batches, and the batch is then verified on the Ethereum blockchain. To receive assets on the Ronin network, you will need to have a Ronin wallet address. You can obtain this by installing the Ronin wallet extension and creating a new wallet. You can then use this address to receive assets transferred from the Ethereum blockchain. Best practices for using the Ronin bridge include ensuring you have enough gas to cover transaction fees, double-checking the recipient address to avoid sending assets to the wrong address, and being patient as the transfer process may take a few minutes to complete. In conclusion, the Axie Infinity Ronin bridge provides a convenient and efficient way to transfer assets between the Ethereum blockchain and the Ronin network. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use the Ronin bridge to manage your assets.